Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make your own logo reveal intro in Filmora 9. Basically I will make a intro that is a logo reveal, and this is completely from the scratch, and I will also added the source file with video. In the description you can find the link to download the source file so you can easily make your own version of this. So do not let friends check out today's video. Now after opening the Filmora 9, you just need to select a new project. Size will be widescreen 16:9. So I just open the Filmora 9 application. Now from here I need to import the files. I have attached the link to download the source file of this video that I am going to use in this video. So just download it and start following my tutorials. So I just open the import file and now go to my desktop and choose the file that I need for this tutorial. So I just select all the files and click on the open. Now I drag and drop the sound file, and also first of all on the first layer of this video you need to select this one, the main background file. You just need to put this video at the below layer of this video. So I just put it here, and you can just match to the media your layout. And if I play this video you can see the tutorial how it looks like. So after this you need to find the starting of the scratch in this video. So if I go to previous you can see that. So I just go slowly frame by frame, so you can see that it is starting now. So I just go back 1 or 2 layers to frame. So here is this. So when your timeline frame is here, now you just insert your logo here, and then I just resize my logo and center align this. Now on the top of this layer you just insert the logo reveal this video here. That's okay, and again we need to insert another video, and that is the slash highlight. So I just drag and drop this at the top of this, but you need to set this at the first matching with the 0 seconds. So that's it. Now you need to do another cut on the first video here. So we need to see when it is starting opening this view. So we just go to the first of this opening section. We just go slowly by the so I just stop this here, and now I will cut this one. From here you can just press Ctrl B from the keyboard, or you can just use this split. So I cut this one. Now I just delete this section from here. So I delete this one. Now what I need to do, we just need to add some transition. So I just go to the transition, and here into side dissolve, the dissolve transition here. So I just drag and drop it on the first video and on the second video, and then I just put it a little, and here also a little. That's it. Now if I play the video you can see how it look like. So you can see that we cannot see the photo and also the below video, so we need to do some tricks here. So I just make my logo to the full of the timeline from here, and again I just select the logo reveal and right click on this, and then select the green screen. From here you need to select a color, and I just move here, and we need to select the white color of the logo reveal. You can see we need to delete this. So I just select and select on this color, and now you can see our logo is clearly seeing inside. So I just finish this and click OK, and now just render the preview how it look like. You see. So now I play the video and see how it look like. So I just play it from here. You can see on the screen. That's I think perfect. So I hope you guys understand how to make this tutorial by your own and make your own logo reveal intro in your Filmora 9. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. So see you on the next video.